وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين. Surah Al-Isra, 1782. Imagine this. Right now, somewhere in the world, a soul is hurting, a heart is breaking, a person is sitting alone, feeling hopeless. And at that exact moment, a single verse from the Quran finds them. Not by accident, not by coincidence, by divine will. Allah says, "We send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy." This verse will find you exactly when you need it most. This is not poetry. This is not philosophy. This is a promise from Allah Himself. He says, "We send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the believers." The Quran is not just a book. It is medicine. It is a cure for the wounds you carry. It is mercy for the pain you hide. Whether you are suffering from anxiety, grief, loneliness, or confusion, the Quran has the exact words to heal you. Think about this. When you are sad, you open Surah Ad-Duha. When you are afraid, you recite Ayatul Kursi. When your heart is restless, you turn to Surah Ar-Rahman. Every verse is a remedy. Every word is a mercy. Allah didn't just send a book of rules. He sent a source of healing. He sent a companion for your soul. This Quran, right now, is calling you. It wants to heal you. It wants to give you peace. Has a Quran verse ever found you at the perfect moment? A verse you read or heard that felt like it was speaking directly to you? That is Allah's mercy. That is His love reaching you. Right now, there is someone in your life who needs to hear this verse. Someone who is struggling. Someone who needs hope. Share this video with them. Be the reason Allah's healing reaches them. Subscribe to Islam for You for more Quranic reminders that touch your soul. وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين. And we send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the believers. This Quran verse will find you when your heart is ready, when your soul is open. It will arrive. And when it does, you will feel the healing. You will feel the mercy. May Allah make the Quran the healing of your heart and the light of your soul. Ameen. Subhanaka rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.